At number 5, we have the Squatz 70-pound adjustable dumbbell set. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is a good choice for those on a budget. It stands out for its efficient twist-lock adjustment system, allowing seamless weight changes during workouts. Covering a range from 4.5 to 70 pounds, it replaces 9 traditional dumbbells, making it a space-saving and versatile choice for home gyms. The durable cast iron plates ensure longevity, even under intense use, while the textured metal handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, ideal for high-repetition or strength-focused training. This model excels in versatility, enabling users to perform a variety of exercises targeting different muscle groups. Its quick adjustment mechanism supports smooth transitions between movements, enhancing workout flow and reducing downtime. The compact design is not only practical for storage, but also maintains balance and stability during use. With its robust build quality and user-friendly features, this adjustable dumbbell set is an excellent addition for anyone seeking a reliable all-in-one solution for progressive resistance training at home. At number 4,